everyone, dear friends. I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. I'm a person who has been experimented all my life. Therefore, it's my debut video. I want to have long wanted to prepare one special dish. It's very interesting test, and I think it's very specific one. Let's guess what is this? It's kangaroo burger. Okay, let's start for cooking. We need kangaroo meat. Like this is one tablespoon oil. I will be like to use olive oil, some salt, pepper. I will be recommended you to take out this meat from refrigerator about like 10 minutes before to you start to cook, to prepare, because if you will be put it just straight away in the pan and start to cook. So next what we need, of course, we need some pan, then we will be fry, then oil, and as well, like it's burger. I'm not really like to eat any bread, so I prefer to use some bread like toast. I think it's less carbohydrate, and for size it should be enough. Okay, and then as well I prefer to use some tomato just will be chopped, and cucumber. All right, let's start to do it. First things what we need to make, it's put a bit oil in the pan. So I think we need to wait about maybe like 3-4 minutes before we'll be open meat and put on the pan. So we need to hot it a bit. All right, I see now oil already ready and pan too. So I do now less. It's look amazing and smell too. Actually, I'm not sure. It's look like already. It's smell. It's so nice. I think they are ready to salt it and pepper, because it smells like some kind of pizza, already here. So I'm not sure if we need it or not. Maybe I don't want now to put any salt and pepper, because I don't want to do it too much. It's 4 pieces, how I can see, and I think it will be nice to take. Oh, okay, I did it. Perfect. So, like, ooh. All right, I see we have a bit time. I think we can start just to make our vegetables. So it's already clean. We just need to chop it all in beautiful piece. I think it will be nice to chop like small, tiny slices and make tomato. And I will be try to make same with cucumber. Alright, now it looks like time to make another side. Ooh la la! So yummy! And smell, it looks like grill. Smell like grill, I don't know why. Okay, I just wanna do 2 type of cut this cucumber, and we can do choice later how it's more comfortable to put in our burger. So like this is fine or this is fine. Okay guys, it's already ready, so I think we can try it. It's tasty. So I can recommend it differently. You should to try kangaroo meat. I sure it's very healthy meat, so a lot of vitamins and proteins and very important microelements inside. So very healthy, very good. You can try. See you soon.